welcome to the Bureau of Profound Oddities, which is an escape room game that you can play right inside of Discord. So I'm going to walk a little bit through. We have a lobby section where you can meet other players and chat to people, and then we're going to pick a team and jump right into the game. So you can use the buttons to begin, and here's Division Chief Murphy, and let's sit down and see what he has to say. So he opens up a case folder and he's going to introduce you to this case at the Bell Hill Asylum, and you want to find out about Agent Lee, who disappeared, and let's see if we can just jump right into the continuation of the game. So first of all, you start off in a inmate's room and you're stripped of clothing, and a speaker sends you a message. It's telling you to end the game. You can use the safe word macaroni. And then we introduce some of the commands. So as well as buttons, you could type things. You could type look desk, or you could type just L desk. And there is a note on the desk. So let's get the note. You pick up the note and you can kind of examine, click on things to look into them. And these are the basic commands: look, item, task, and help. So if I click on the item, let's see, that should have had the note, that's a bug. We can look at what is the current task, and it reminds us, the voice had said, to proceed to breakfast, please follow your morning routine. So what could that be? Well, let's have a look around the room. Remember, undressed patients. So it's probably telling us to get dressed. So let's have a look at the dresser there. Oops. A wardrobe maybe? Yeah, so let's try opening the wardrobe. I'm giving you guys some hints now how to play the game. And inside the wardrobe we see a robe, so let's get the robe. Okay, so you put on the blue robe, and it's giving us a hint that we are halfway there. Inventory, I now have a robe. Let's have another look around the room. And I obviously know what to do here, so I'm going to have a little bit of a cheek. Oh, there we go. There's something poking out from under the bed, so let me see about that. Get shoes. And now we've completed one of the tasks. So now a light bulb is lit up. We're on task 2 of 6, and we get the next task from the speaker, and it's saying exercise. So at any time you can just type task and find out what your current task is. You can tap the question mark to get a list of other commands that you could do, and you can also just click on the eyes again to have another look around the room. So that's the basic mechanics of the engine, and you can use different items. So those are the simple things, but basically you can combine items together and talk to different characters. And so if we look at the sink, there's a sink which is missing a handle, so let's have another look at that wardrobe, and it's going to be empty. If we now shut the wardrobe, you'll notice the two handles don't quite match. So get handle from where? Get handle from wardrobe. Okay, we now have the handle. Use the handle on the sink. Okay, so now let's have a look at the sink, and it now has a handle attached to it. So that's how you kind of use objects with each other, so you can combine different things. If we try and wash, we don't have any soap, so where might there be some soap in this room? And generally the game continues like that. Some of the other things may be worth noting. If on the wall here we have a few posters. Let's look at that. poster, you can actually open up, there's obviously a normal web browser, so we can actually click through and get different items that are linked to things that are in the game, and there's actually a clue hidden in here. So that came from opening this window here. Let me have a look at the wall. What else was there? So there's a few other different clues there. Just look around the room in general. Get soap. It's not going to tell me where the soap is, so you have to keep looking around the room to find it. So that's just a few things of how this game engine works, and it's quite a fun game. And of course, if I open up another window here, it is obviously multiplayer, so the other people can chat and give you hints. You can also ask for help, and that will ping one of our real people to come in and give you some clues on what to do. Thank you.